Alright, so before we get into the video, just want to let y'all know I started a brand, so if you want to go check it out, I have pictures on the screen right now of what the clothes look like and the website link, and then the website link will also be in the description if you want to go check it out and see what I have. But yeah, enjoy the video. Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel. I've been posting in a long time, but I'm just trying to get everything, you know, back together. In my commentary, like, I ain't really that good at commentary, but I'm gonna try my best, see how it goes. Yeah, right now I'm trying to take the oil from my mom's car to AutoZone, because like the first time I took it, they said it has to be in a bag, but or they said it can't be in a bag, and it was in a bag, but it was in 2 bags, and I guess they said it would be too messy, and that makes sense. She got a bucket, so I'm gonna go take that right now, and let's see how this goes. I'm trying to drive careful because I don't want it to spill, but I got a doggy pad on the floor, so hopefully if it does spill, it goes on there. If not, then well, damn. But I'm just trying to drive careful right now, trying not to spill it, you feel me? There's a cop right here. I think I know him actually. One of my family members' husbands is a cop. That might be him. I thought he quit a long time ago, a little bit. I don't know. Right there used to be a Camaro. I don't know if that's their house or whatever. Used to be like a silver and blue Camaro. Time I drive down here. Why they got a porta potty on the house? But yeah. Be a nice chill drive. So you're gonna go. I hate these bumps though, because they gotta go so slow. I got oil. See if they accept it. I hope they accept it. If not, then I don't know. I don't know what to put it in. They said a bucket or a box. It was a bucket, so I don't know. But I forgot my soda. Bro, I be getting the free sodas from Panera Sip Club. It's like $12 a month for like a soda every 2 hours for free. That's worth it too. I got the free months, but I'm gonna just keep paying it because it's worth it. You feel me? She about to drop the whole thing. The auntie driving a Camaro. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice like chill POV. Gotta get used to talking to myself or talking to y'all, but see how that goes, see how quick I can get used to it. Oh, also, I'm gonna probably put it at the beginning of the video, but I did drop a new brand of clothes, so I'm trying to get that marketing done. I got the piece coming in like Tuesday. Trying to make more designs, but right now I'm kind of like busy with other stuff, so when I get the time I'll make more designs. But I'll drop actually I put the link to the website on the screen, and then like in the description. Yeah, if you want to buy some, go ahead. I think everything should be all set up so people can buy, but I just got to get the word out there, you know. Oh, damn, bro. Just took that. Yeah, hopefully it do. Hopefully it's nice and quick. It's actually a pretty nice day today. It's actually kind of hot though. Kind of wearing sweats and a hoodie, but that's what I wear every day. I don't wear sweats every day. I wear a hoodie every day. Damn. I gotta get used to wearing the GoPro because people look at me like I'm crazy probably. Me personally, I've never seen nobody driving with a GoPro, but they ain't got many YouTubers out here probably. I don't know. I made sure that thing was closed, bro. Yeah. I know, bro, when I was coming home from work, or not work, from school, I was coming home from school on this long road, just like down the city. I saw this SRT8 Jeep. I was like, damn, that's kind of cool. I haven't seen many of them. I think that's my second one I saw. So I decided to try and like play with him, trying to get him to do something. But I don't know if SRT8s come with superchargers stock, but I think it had a supercharger. It sounded like a Hellcat one. I don't know if he Trackhawk swapped it or what, but I think they do have superchargers from factory. I'm not sure though. Gotta look that up. It sounded nice though. I can't wait till I get my Hellcat or whatever I get. Trackhawk. Kinda want a Trackhawk, but then again, I don't know. I already got the Scat or the 392, so I might just go for the SUV. Family build, you know. See how it goes. Thank you. Even though there's a school over here. It's crazy. It's hella kids. I don't know, a middle school or elementary school? These are like 8th graders or something. I don't know, bro. These school kids be getting taller and taller every year. Bro, I remember seeing the kids in 8th grade, I'd be like, but when I was in 8th grade, I was not that tall. Or like, I'm not tall right now, but people were not that tall. There was a couple, but most people were not that tall, bro. Dang. Today trash day? No, yesterday was trash day. Oh, the trash cans out still. A birthday party. All these potholes in the road. Alright, so I'm pulling out the AutoZone. Catch y'all when I'm done, and yeah. Alright, so it's actually nighttime right now. I did drop off the oil, but I didn't really have time to record a video coming back. But I'm gonna drive a little bit tonight just to give y'all some footage, make the video a little longer if anybody's gonna watch it. I don't really got a direction on where I'm gonna drive. Actually, I kind of do, but I'm gonna just drive anywhere, take some streets I never took, you know, kind of stuff. But yeah, it's like the continuation of the day, same day, just at nighttime. And I think I'm gonna buy a diffuser, but I haven't really figured out which one. I mean, they all look good, but then, you know, I don't want one that's sticking out too much, and I feel like most of them only like kind of really look good if it's like lowered, because, you know, I don't want that I don't really like when you can see the exhaust pipes on the back. Like the exhaust tips, yeah, fine, but like the pipes under, kind of want something to cover that. But I'll see what I can do to fix that in the meantime. But I did just buy some new brake pads, so hopefully that'll stop the squeaking, because the front tires still squeak. I changed the back, but I think since in the whole lifetime of having this car's lifetime, like the brake pads have never been changed. Because when I took the ones off the back, bro, they were like, nah. They were falling apart. Like the metal on the back literally came off when I took the brake pad off. Like it wasn't even part of the thing no more. The whole thing was just messed up. But I am leaving my city, and my city, like the cops there, and they don't really care. But this city, they care a little bit more. So we'll see what happens. You want to race? Nah, I'm not gonna race tonight. Not in this city, at least. I don't know the cops be staying at night. I'm not gonna go too crazy right now. I'm just keep it low profile. I will go crazy in my city, but I mean, I'm gonna just go over here. You know, it's a lot safer at night. Just kind of chill around. I should have went that way, but I don't know if that way. Oh, I know where that way goes. Yeah, let's not go that way. But yeah, I want to wrap the car, but I don't really got the money for it right now. So I was thinking about doing it myself, but I don't want to like mess it up. And I don't got the money to pay like $500 or $400 for like the wrap itself. So I mean, we'll see what I can do. But yeah. Also, I did get starlights. I don't know if you can see that, but I did get starlights. I think it was like 2 weeks ago. It was I think it was worth it, you know. At the beginning, I was thinking I was gonna trade this car in for a Hellcat, but second thoughts, I might as well just like keep the car, keep upgrading, you know. I mean, the Scat Pack is enough. You don't really need, like, I'm a senior in high school, bro. Like, I want a Hellcat or like a track hawk. I'm thinking about trying to get a track hawk in like the coming months, but I don't know how my funds are gonna like accommodate for that. I just gotta come up with the money, like I came up with the money for this 392. But yeah, I mean, there's enough power for me. I don't really need much more right now. I definitely want more in the future, but you know, that's about it. I did see an SRTA Jeep though today. I don't know if I said that in the first part, but I think it was Trackhawk swapped, because I looked it up. They don't come supercharged, so I don't really know what the deal was with that one. But yeah, I do need gas like tomorrow or the next day. I know I'm about to have a tank, but cars be eating gas. I don't want to go that way because that way's bumpy as hell. I'm gonna just cruise on for now. I wonder if I made those marks. I don't think I did. I might have. Not gonna lie, because I remember like the day after I did it, I didn't see no marks, and I just saw those like yesterday. I don't think it was me, but I mean, yeah, you know, some stuff happened. But hopefully it's not too bright, not too dark. I know the sun visor is messing with the brightness, especially during the day, so I'm gonna try and get that fixed in the next video. But at night, I mean, you can only see like this little tiny part, so if that's enough, then I tried to position it in like a good spot where you can see like the bottom or like the dash. So all that stuff. What's this truck doing? Is he moving? I think he's moving very slowly for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know what's up with him. I guess I can go down where that car went. I think I've been down here before. I'm not sure though. It's a street, right? Right here? Yeah, it's a street. I haven't been down here in a while. It's a big street. I don't know where the cops are. I don't got a radar detector, but I should get one. I want one. You know, I had one, but I did end up selling it. Or not selling it. I returned it before it even got here, because like I didn't really find the need for it, and then I didn't want it to be like a crappy one. I like just false alarms all the time, and what I seen, because I paid like 160 for it, but I guess the good ones are like 500. But it was on sale because it was normally like 250. But I don't know. I'm gonna make a right here. I have no idea where I am. Actually, I think I know where I am. Actually, no. Let's just go straight. Yeah. I do know where I am. Just go straight. Just go around. People should know my car around here if there are high school kids. So see if I get noticed. I don't think so. Ain't nobody know me. They just know the car, you know. It's a nice street. I never went down this street. I went down sideways, but not this one. I think I'm gonna probably get like copyrighted for that music. I'm not sure though. I hope not. But yeah, don't pull out on me. Don't pull out on me. I think I'm let's go right here. This is a college, huh? These are college kids. Yeah, I think this is college. I'm not sure. Not gonna lie, I do not know this street. I do not think I know the street. Rough on my way. It's so dark. There's no like freaking street lights. Oh, okay. Might as well go straight, huh? Never been down here. Just kind of exploring. We'll see how it goes. See if I can head back now. I ain't trying to be out too late, you know. It's already 9:45, and I ain't like to be out too late. But I got school and work tomorrow. So, oh, you know, I do have to call out early tomorrow because I gotta be at work, and we're on like a weird schedule right now. And I won't get off till too late. So see how that works. I kind of do want to hear my car, but I don't want a mosquito to fly in. So let's see if we can go down this street down here. But then again, this Cities, cops are weird. Oh, this is a school. Yeah, I can't do this right here. But we might as well get across. Feel me? Come on, come on, come on, car. There you go. Must be safe as hell to walk out at 9:46 at night by yourself. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try and upload more. I don't know how it's gonna fit in my schedule. I think Friday night I probably most definitely would be able to record a video. Well, other than that, I don't think I'll have time. Because I'm kind of busy, but we'll see how that goes. I don't even know what I'm gonna name this video, but I'll find a name. It's not the first time I'm actually doing commentary, because all my POV drives are like quiet as hell. But I think I'm gonna try and start talking now. But yeah, it's just overall, I'm just trying to make this vlog, or not vlog, POV drive a little longer than 8 minutes. Buddy, you better stop. Buddy, you better hurry up. My car does pop. I don't know if it was tuned before me, but I don't think it was tuned, but like it still pops. Because I've heard that it pops stock, but I don't know. It kind of pops a lot. It's kind of crazy. You can pop from stock, you don't even gotta mod it. That's what I did want. I wanted pops, but like I already have pops, and if I do an actual tune for pops, it's gonna be like probably too crazy and loud, and I might probably get a ticket for exhaust noise. So I'm not trying to do that. So, alright. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just keep it stock for now. But other than that, yeah, ain't really nothing much else to say. I'll let you watch the video quiet a little bit, you know, silent POV drive for a little bit. Also, I do want to start going to like, going to like car meets, just for myself to like connect with a bunch of more car people. Oh, they fixed the potholes. Like connect with more car people, because right now I got like a limited number, but I know if I go to car meets and stuff, I'll find more. I don't want to go to the wrong ones, you know, and get my car impounded and stuff. Because I think in California, like if you go to a car meet, they can just like impound your car, and not like an organized one, but like one like on a random night in front of like a Walmart parking lot. But I'm gonna try and go see if I can. I wanted to go on like a Cars and Coffee Canyon Drive, but I did miss that one. I wasn't sure if it was like gonna be people there. From what I seen, I think there was a couple people there. I don't know. I watched a YouTube video and he did the Canyon Drive. They met up, I think, at the place that they said to meet up, but I don't know if it was the same like meet. But it wasn't so many people. It was like a Lamborghini and you know, stuff, BMWs. But yeah, they went on a little canyon drive. I do want to do that one day. I know this car's not a track car, not built for corners, but I feel like it'll still be fun. You know, give it a shot, and we can see what it's like. Yeah, I was trying to see if I could record that. That'll be great content. Imagine like me driving and just Lamborghinis and Ferraris just ripping it. That'd be crazy. But yeah, I can get some good POVs. But yeah, that'll be about pretty much it. I'm trying to record Friday. It is Wednesday right now, so I'm gonna try and record something like Friday night. Maybe get it posted Saturday night, because I think I do work like Saturday morning, and I might be able to record some also Saturday after work, and then edit the one from Friday and post that on Saturday, and then edit the one